In fact, I'm feeling better that DMART is going down so that I can show you so much practically. Everyone's interest is involved here. Then everyone will look more with concentration. Otherwise, people would say, it's okay. Okay, so the stock is loading. Right. कचराच केलाय मी याच्यावर पार. Okay. One more important point, how much data to be there in front of you? At least 9 months data. There itself you can write down the point. Around 9 months data should be there on the screen to give you better results. You can take 1 year also, your choice, or you can take 3 months also. So by the way, technical analysis is no law. Law has not been passed. Every person will have his or her own theories for that. So generally people take 9 months data. Okay. Everyone check this out. I can't, like we have always said that this sign. Similarly, you can see a vertical bar on the screen here. Everyone, can you see this vertical bar on the screen? Always whenever we have drawn lines, we have used this one. Oh, you can't see it properly. What? Was that because you are not able to see this part properly on the screen, on the slide is being cut. What I did was I took a screenshot of my screen and I tried to paste it here. Okay, now is it properly visible? This is indoor trading view, and if you remember this top third from the top, this one we used to draw the lines. Okay, and this one we are going to use for Fibonacci retracement. Okay, pitchfork, correct. So we are going to use this for Fibonacci retracement. So wherever you have written in your notebook how to draw Fibonacci retracement, there you can write it down. Use the tool on the vertical slide bar on the left side. Use the tool on the vertical slide bar on the left hand side. And actually you can draw this small thing so that you don't forget where to draw it. This one, like a trishul. Like. Done? Yes. Right. Now, what was our thumb rule? At least we want 9 months data. So we are here at almost Feb, March. Now what are we going to do? First, I just press this arrow near that pitchfork. And here you can see so many options. We are going to check out fib retracement. Can you see here? So there itself you can write down wherever you have written. First you have said that we are going to use that drawing. You have drawn the pitchfork and write down dash, then select fib retracement. Just write it down in your notebook also. Then select fib retracement. Okay. Well, apparently is the stock in an uptrend and somewhere in the sideways trend? Yes or no? Yes. So if it's in an uptrend or in a sideways trend, what do we draw? From lowest point to highest point. So basically what I've done is I'm taking the cursor here. This is somewhere this is the lowest point. Yes. Click and drag is what I'm doing. Click and drag. Okay, I'm dragging it till what? Can you see this is roughly this is the highest point. Can you see here? It's visible on the screen, na? See, just check out that green candle where I'm taking it close to. Yes, this is the highest point. And now if you want to, so this I have drawn. Now I want it to be wider, na? Or maybe I want to pull it here. So now pulling is easy. I take it just like this. Stop and again press. Okay.